So here's the warm-up, and you have, here's the warm-up. So what's the solution, ladies and gentlemen?
270.
The first one.
Can I explain how we got it?
Who said 270? First name, please.
Ugona, me, I said 270.
Okay, Vivian, do you agree with the 270?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you want to explain something, Vivian? Go ahead.
What I did was the cross multiplication.
Hold on. I will write exactly what you solution. Okay, go ahead.
3 pi over 2.
3 pi over 2.
And then on the side I said 180 over pi. No, 180 over pi.
What do you want me to write? Tell me.
Oh, no, I said 180. No, take out with the equal.
Okay, and then what should I write?
180 over pi.
Okay.
180 degree over pi.
180 degree over pi.
Yes. So now cross out the pi.
So how do is it multiplication that separates them?
Yes,
basically. Okay. You say I should cross out the pi.
Yes, and this pi too. And then for me, I did it different. So I got the 3 times 180 divided by 2.
Okay. So that 180 divided by 2, is 90. So 3 times 90 is 270.
Yeah.
Okay, so who set it up differently? Who set it up differently?
Can I say something?
Yes.
This was the same question on the assignment too. I think this question has an error.
You said this is the same question on the assignment?
Yeah, I think it has an error.
That's number 1.
On the assignment?
Yeah.
For real? Okay. Okay, that's okay. So now, why do you think it has an error? Please go ahead and explain.
Because looking at the solution, we used 180, right? So for the number to be greater than 180 and giving us a sum of 270 degrees, I think there is an error somewhere there, because the number in converting the radian to degrees is not supposed to exceed the given value that you're converting it with. I just don't know.
Okay, so now let me correct the impression. Is that who spoke? Who just spoke now?
It's TC.
Okay. Now let me correct an impression. All you need in order to convert something from the other, from one thing to the other, is the conversion rate. That's all you need. Once you establish the conversion rate, then you can use that conversion rate to convert anything, whether it is higher or lower than the initial values of the conversion rate. For example, before we continue on this solution, let us just think about different conversion rates that we know. So give me one conversion rate that you know, any one of them. Any conversion rate. What is 60 seconds? 60 seconds is equal to what?
1 minute.
1 minute. So that's a conversion rate. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. That's a conversion rate. Once you have these 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, you can convert any number that is higher than 60 seconds or any number that is lower than 60 seconds. You can also convert any number that is higher than 1 minute or any number that is lower than 1 minute. Now let's consider another conversion rate. How about 12 inches? 12 inches is equal to what?
1 foot.
1 foot. Okay, this is another conversion rate. The moment you establish this conversion rate, you can convert any number in inches that is either higher than 12 inches or lower than 12 inches. Let's talk about money now. Let's talk about money now. Like, what is the exchange rate between dollar and peso?
A dollar is I think 18, 19 pesos.
You just said that $1 is equal to 18 pesos, right? Something like that.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, once we have this conversion rate, we can convert $1 million to pesos. We can convert less than 50 cents to pesos. We can convert any number. Once we have established this conversion rate, which is happening every single second, people are converting dollar to peso every single second. So that's how conversion takes place. So in this particular case, what did I tell you is the conversion rate between degree and radian? What did I tell you is the conversion rate?
Pi 180 is equals to pi and 360 equals to 2 pi.
Okay, good. So you can either use any of them. So you can either use that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. You have to include the unit now because otherwise it won't make sense. Or you can use 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. So once you have this, then you can convert any radian that is higher than pi, or that is lower than pi, or that is even a decimal, or that is even a fraction. It doesn't matter. What matters is this conversion rate. And guess what? This number will never change. So now let's use that thing. Let's use the number I just wrote and do the conversion. See, once you set it up, you are looking for degree. So the next thing you should do would be to write something like x is the unknown degree, which you are seeking for, is equal to the one that is provided to you, which is 3 pi over 2 radian. Okay, now this is where you do the cross multiply. So you should do 180 multiplied by 3 pi over 2, and that's equal to x multiplied by pi. All right, so now this is where you now begin to simplify. 180 divided by 2 is 90, and then pi divided by pi. So you are left with 90 multiplied by 3 equal to x, which is 270 degrees. So whoever that got 270 degrees is correct.